There's not a great deal of action in terms of weather across the United Kingdom right now. All the action's further south. That's where I'm going to start, by looking into the near continent, because Germany's had a lot of rain through last night, 44 millimetres, just under 2 inches in the space of 12 hours, two-thirds of the monthly average falling in that space of time. And you can see there's a lot of cloud here, as well as this massive cloud we're watching very carefully, developing across northern Spain and nudging into the southwest of France. That's a system that's gradually going to trundle its way northwards. And there's no shortage of thunderstorms either, especially across the alpine regions of Europe. And you can see where our thunderstorm detector's picking up those storms. We do have a little area of low pressure here, as well as one that's developing across parts of Spain and Portugal. And this is going to feed in plenty of showers. Those will turn out to be thundery and heavy as we move into the weekend, as well as some of those coming down around that area of low pressure to move towards the Canaries, for instance. For ourselves, we've got a lot of cloud in the south. That's keeping it rather dull and grey. But come further north into Northern Ireland, much of Scotland and the northwest of England is just about cloud-free, with some pleasant sunshine to enjoy. A little bit more cloud perhaps coming and going across many of the southern counties through the day means that here it'll be rather miserable. So that's how the afternoon shapes up. A lot of bright, dry weather with some sunshine. A bit more cloud coming into the far north of Scotland. And still we've got fingers of cloud affecting us in the south here. And that means that temperatures likely probably to get no higher than around 12 or 13 in the southeast of England. But come further north into North Wales and northwest England, 15 or 16. 16 for Northern Ireland and around about 17 or 18. A very nice day on the west coast of Scotland. Now overnight tonight we'll see some of that low cloud return and fill in those areas that are clear right now. Also some mist forming and quite a contrast in temperatures. In the southeast probably 6 to 7 degrees with a blanket of cloud. Take the blanket away and it reduces to 1 or 2 degrees, especially across parts of Scotland. Now tomorrow we do start off fine, bright and dry, perhaps a little bit more in the way of sunshine I think through the morning for some of these more southern areas. Still a breeze in the English Channel. But then later in the day we start to see these weather fronts trying to get up from the south and maybe just introducing the hint of a thunderstorm. A greater threat I think as we move into Saturday, as these weather fronts trundle away very steadily north. There's all that cloud we saw on the satellite picture in the south gradually pushing its way northwards. Meanwhile, across the more northern parts of the United Kingdom, certainly for Scotland and Northern Ireland, the fine, dry weather continues. So that's Saturday's forecast. You see these thunderstorms or thundery showers drifting up from the south. They're a little bit warmer as well. 20, 21 degrees our top temperature, and those storms drifting a little bit further north. Otherwise, for Northern Ireland and Scotland, it's going to be fine and dry. Bye for now.